Thank you for watching videos by Jeff Sibelius and landandairphotos.com. I don't know about you, but I am starting to get a little bit of cabin fever. I think the only time I typically go out anymore is when I take my life in my hands and go to the grocery store to restock groceries. I did get out to a park. I'm at a park here in Richardson, Texas right now. 2 of the 3 entrances of the park are barricaded, but this one's still open for now anyway, so I'm able to sit out here and breathe a little fresh air. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm getting a little bit of cabin fever. I bet you are too. I could really use a little scenery. In fact, I could use a little of your scenery. I want to ask you to send your clips from all around the world to me. I'm hoping to get parks and bridges and rivers and lakes and dams and covered bridges and cities and agricultural and everything from all around the world. I want to get a whole bunch of clips together from you, the viewers, and I want to put it together into a video montage to share here on the channel. I don't care if it's DJI, Unique, Autel, homemade drone. I don't care if it's FPV or camera drone. It doesn't really matter. If you've got some cool clips, I'd like to see them, and I'd like to share them with the other viewers on this channel. If I don't get enough participation in this, I won't do a video montage. Maybe if I get a few clips and they're good, I may use them in some of my videos for illustration purposes, with attribution, of course. But if I do get enough participation, I'll put the clips together in a montage and publish it here on my channel. Wouldn't it be cool to see scenes from all around the world? And of course, like I said, I'll identify who the clips are from, give links to your channels and things like that, so you're getting a little bit of recognition for your clips as well. So here's what you got to do. Here are the requirements for me to be able to do this. Video clips need to be 30 seconds or less. You can edit them, you can color correct them, do whatever you want, but they need to be 30 seconds or less. Otherwise, it just gets to be unmanageable. Resolution needs to be 1080p or higher. I need to have the video clips shared through something like Google Drive. I can't download videos from your channel. It would take me forever to go through 30 or 40 videos on your channel that are 10 minutes long each and pick out little snippets for me to put on in this montage. I can't do it, especially if a whole bunch of people respond. I need you to make the clips 30 seconds or less, put them up on Google Drive or some other type of file sharing system, and share the things with me that way. That way I can get at the files and work at them. And then I'm picking out the pieces that you actually think are the ones you want to share. You can send me up to 10 clips, hopefully with a variety of scenes, but you can share 1 to 10 clips, 30 seconds each. Obviously, you need to be the photographer. You need to hold the copyright for the video. As I say, it's got to be drone video, nothing illegal, nothing inappropriate, no dangerous or risk-taking type shots, anything like that. We're looking for scenery, cool shots, something nice to share with people. Please don't put any watermarks on your video. I'll give you photo credits in the video description, but please no watermarks, because otherwise it's going to look kind of funky on the screen. You should name your clips with your YouTube channel name and the location where the clip was taken, like Jeff Sibelius, Oahu, Hawaii, .mp4. Probably the easiest way to do this would be for you to upload the clips to Google Drive and share them with me that way. You can share them to my email address at jeff@landandairphotos.com, and I'll have that on the screen. Remember, your sharing it is your legal authorization for me to use it in the video clips. YouTube is really fussy about copyright things, appropriately so, and so I want to make sure that we're covered there. But by sharing, you're authorizing me to do this. And remember, I need to know your channel name and where this was taken so I can give you proper attribution in the video description. If you'd rather I use your real name rather than your YouTube channel, or your website rather than YouTube channel, or whatever, that's fine. Just explain what you want in the description of the sharing when you send it to me. If you've never used Google Drive for sharing, uploading or sharing files, it's very easy. I'll walk you through it here in just a minute. Okay, I'm going to give you a real quick demo on how to use Google Drive. Go to drive.google.com and either sign in or create an account. You should probably have a Google account if you've got a YouTube account. So just log in and you'll come up with a screen that looks like this, except you won't have files there, obviously. Click on New, File Upload. Go to where your file is located. Here's the file. Notice that I've got it named with my YouTube channel name, Jeff Sibelius, and then the location, Plano, Texas. So I click on that and open it, and it's uploading. Okay, file is uploaded, and here it is. Now I click on it, right click, share. I put in the email address you send it to, which is jeff@landandairphotos.com. You can add a note down below. This was taken with a unique Q500 4K. And make sure that this is checked. Notify people is checked, so it'll send me an email if that's checked. Then hit send. Now, this is not a Google account, so you just have to confirm. Send the link with no sign-in required. Send. And it's done. I have no idea what kind of response I'll get to this. If I don't get a lot of response, it's no big deal. I just won't do the video montage. I hope I get to see a bunch of videos. I've seen a lot of clips that you guys have shot, and there's been some really beautiful stuff. And so I'm hoping you do share. I'm hoping you do respond. I hope you have fun with this. Right now you're probably sitting in your house with not a lot to do, and so this is something you can sink your teeth into and pick out clips and have some fun with this. The deadline is on the screen right now. Obviously, I have to set a deadline so I know when to stop taking in clips and start putting this all together. So please send me your clips by the deadline so I can make sure you're included in the montage. Anyway, have fun with this. Hopefully it'll help to keep your spirits up, and you can use this to promote your channel a little bit if you'd like. And I hope you take part. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.